So welcome back. We've now done the filing of our edges, we've rounded the corners off, we've wet rubbed with water, we've checked, got the teacher to check it, and now you're up to buffing. Buffing is probably going to be our most dangerous machine we look at the moment, and to that end there's a whole lot of safety stuff, and you'll see on the walls there are safety signs around which indicate the do's and don'ts. And you'll need to have done the safety induction program on and have passed that before you can use this machine. As part of that safety program, I need to give you a demonstration tutorial. This tutorial is not going to replace the in-class demonstration. It is just here as a preview, getting you ready for the in-class demonstration. You still need to have the in-class demonstration before you can use this machine. When doing so, using the machine, make sure you've got cuffs, no loose clothing, make sure you've got safety glasses on. Safety glasses you'll find over on the wall, and if you've got long hair, it needs to be tied back and tucked down your shirt so it can't get caught in these machines, because these machines are very unforgiving. If anything happens, there's a big red stop button on the side here. Just push that and step away. If the teacher tells you to stop and step back, please do so immediately without question, because it means to say they can see a danger that you may not be aware of. Having said that, there are some techniques that I'm going to show you that you will need to practice and demonstrate to me become competent in this machine. One of the first things is we always use the bottom half of the wheel only. We never go above the wheel or the top part of the wheel. We make sure we've always got our safety glasses on. We make sure that nobody's talking to us, nobody's distracting us. So in this situation we're going to have one wheel, which is our left-hand wheel, which still puts the wax on. So just like polishing your shoes, wax on, wax off is on the other wheel. So our front wheel here takes the wax off. As I said before in our wet rub tutorial, this won't remove a great deal of material. It's not here to grind away or wear away the surface. It's just here to polish and bring up the shine on the surface. And that's all it's going to do. So this process should happen fairly quickly. If you need more wax on the wheel, get the teacher to come and put more wax on. Don't do it yourself. If your piece falls out of your hands and falls on the floor, turn the machine off, wait till it comes to a complete stop before you bend down and pick it up, preferably using your foot to kick it outside the yellow zone on the floor and then pick it up from outside the yellow zone. Don't be tempted to bend over while these machines are running, because they will catch your hair and they'll rip it out of your head, and that'll look ugly and it will hurt for a really long time. Very, very dangerous. Can't emphasize that enough. So when we're holding our work, we're going to hold it firmly but not tightly. If it wants to grip and go, we're going to let it go. We're not going to fight with it, because otherwise we can end up in the machine as well. So we're going to start by at the front. We're going to go halfway along. They're going to stop, turn our piece of acrylic around, start at the end, and go halfway along and come out. Okay, I'm going to zoom in so you get a clearer look at what happens at the wheel. So just bear with me while I do that. Alright, so you can see more clearly here we've got our wax on wheel down here and our wax off wheel. The technique's still the same. You're going to start at the end of your, go halfway, take it out, start at the end, go halfway, take it out. Even more critical with the short side, start at the corner, go halfway, turn around, start at the corner, go halfway. This is where it's going to likely grab and kick. If it goes, let it fall down. Turn the machine off, kick it out of the way, then pick it up. Wait, machine's completely stopped. Alright, here we go. It's going to get a bit noisy. Machine on. So, starting at the corner, lightly, up and back, turn it around, start at the corner, to the middle, up and back, short side, start at the corner, to the middle, not going very far, turn it around, starting at the corner, going to the middle, that's putting the wax on, so we've got our wax on. Now going to move down to our right hand wheel, which is our wax off, start at the corner, go to the centre, come back, don't push too hard, start at the corner, go to the centre, come back out, short end, start at the corner, go to the centre, come back out, start at the corner, go to the centre, come back out, have a look, it should be nice and shiny. Mine is. When it's finished, down the bottom here we've got a stop button, wait till the machine stops, move away and go and get your teacher to check it. So when you've got all four sides filed, wet rubbed, buffed and polished, get your teacher to check it for any scratches. They'll give you some feedback on that. If it's all good, then you're up to drilling the holes. In the next tutorial, drilling the holes is what we'll cover. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Until next time, cheers.